In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can space out your Instagram bio. So if I just go to my profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, that's going to go ahead and load up my profile. Now, if I go ahead from here and tap on edit profile underneath my bio, and if I just go back and show you my bio, you can see I've spaced it out where I have one line of text and then another line of text directly underneath that. So if you tap on edit profile again, and then you tap on bio, this is how you can space it out. So if you like, for example, type something here, let me type test, and then I go back here and then I try to space it out like that to get to the next line, that's not going to work. All you need to do is, I'll delete that. All you would need to do is go ahead and hit the return button on your keyboard. So you can see for me, it's at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on the return button, and then that makes a space, and then you can go ahead and start typing from here. And that would be basically how you can space out your Instagram bio so it looks nice and neat. And that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.